So I got some cool stuff. I got some cool stuff in the mail. I'm actually pretty pumped about it. I've had a rough day working on the car, but whatever. Been diagnosing a clunk in the front end, and we'll figure that out. But we got an ISR Y-pipe and ISR single exit exhaust for the Z. In the last drift day, you guys might recall, I was having I was having a hard time with throttle control. I could not hear the car whatsoever inside of my helmet. In video you can hear the car, but I could hear the tires. That was mainly it. So what I'm gonna do today is swap out the stock exhaust for the ISR and give you guys a comparison of what that sounds like. And yeah, tomorrow is drift day, so this came today just in time. So just gonna plop this on and give you guys a quick comparison of what they sound like. So first, here's the stock exhaust clip. So it's not a cold start. This has been driven recently, but I'll give you guys a rev. Again, the car was warmed up. I've been test driving it, diagnosing a clunk, but we are gonna put on the ISR single exit and just gonna send it, dude. It's gonna be good. All right, so I'm gonna remove mine in two pieces, well, I guess three pieces. We got the muffler, this mid pipe, and the Y pipe that I'm replacing. So I'm gonna drop, each part individually. For me, I've just got 2 bolts on here because these 2 snapped on either side, which is really nice. After you disconnect this, slide it off, and then you got the 2 brackets on either side that you need to take off. I'm just gonna zap those off with some air tools. 12 millimeter. Gonna need an extension as well if you're using air tools or a ratchet or whatever. So that hunk of junk's out. Just gonna get the other part off. We're gonna break loose these Y-pipe bolts. But I like to break these loose. First, get them pretty loose. Let that rest on the W brace, and if you can, get the other one a little looser, and then we can start getting these off with that broken loose. Cool. I'm holding it with my other arm. Drop those nuts off. All right. Cool. It's out. So now I'm gonna take a little break, let that cool off because that is pretty hot, and then we'll get that Y pipe off and break open this ISR. Now we've got to take off the bolts off the cap that hold the Y pipe. It is pretty tight under here, so I have my car up about 2 inches on some blocks and with some chocks. So I gotta get these off and then proceed from there. I'm not gonna document this. This is already a pain in the ass. So one sec. So in this clip, I didn't get me putting the Y pipe in as well. The next clip, I just kind of cut to having the exhaust on the car. So sorry about that, guys, but you get a quicker sound sample. So enjoy the video. So gonna start off with the exhaust hangers and then move on from there. I'm missing one exhaust hanger that's still on the muffler, so actually looks like 2, so I'm gonna go grab those, put them on first, and then I'll get to putting this on. First startup of the ISR. Let's do the thing. I hope this sounds good. Oh yeah, I gotta put it in gear to rev it. That's loud. Okay, no scrapage. Oh yeah. I don't know, man. I feel like it's fast. Maybe faster already without a tune. I don't know. That kind of does feel slightly faster with the lower RPM. Feels like it might have a little bit more torque. Good stuff.
No.
Don't be a dingus.
You suck.
Damn.
You suck, you jackass.
I'm intentionally slowing down. So. Whoa, dude. That felt faster. For sure. Holy shit. Okay. Bud Dyno says like 10 horsepower maybe. No drone.
Zero drone.
Zero drone. Hell yeah, dude. Awesome.
Super celebratory day. It's your first day with the exhaust.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Celebrate, get a milkshake.
Yeah.
Gonna go right there. Go and get a milkshake.
Milkshake time.
Milkshake time.
You don't know. as usual, I did not film an outro, so if you guys like the video, please comment, rate, or subscribe. Would help the channel out a bunch. Next video is going to be a drift weekend at Nedco. Also letting my buddy drive the car, and it's going to be a hell of a time. So I will catch you guys then. Peace.